Thessaloniki must have been that rare church that we all hope ours will become. A church without arguments over trivia, and unity in the essentials of our common faith. Let's take a look at 1 Thessalonians 3. Who did they send to strengthen and encourage the church? So when we couldn't stand it any longer, we thought it was a good idea to stay on in Athens by ourselves, and we sent you Timothy, who's our brother and God's co-worker in the good news about Christ. We sent him to strengthen and encourage you in your faithfulness. Did Paul not want them to be discouraged by his being persecuted? We didn't want any of you to be discouraged by all these troubles. You knew we would have to suffer, because when we were with you, we told you this would happen. And we did suffer, as you well know. Was there danger that the devil could have tempted the church? Is that same danger still prevalent in today's churches? For this reason, when I could bear it no longer, I sent to learn about your faith, for fear that somehow the tempter had tempted you, and our labor would be in vain. Is it always good news to hear about a church with faith and love? But now Timothy has come to us from you and brought us good news about your faith and love, and reported that you always have good memories of us, wanting to see us as we also want to see you. Does a church that stands firm in the Lord give us much encouragement? That's why, brothers, in all our distress and persecution, we've been encouraged about you by your faith. For now we can go on living as long as you continue to stand firm in the Lord. What joy must a church like that in Thessaloniki be for any Christian leader to see the growth and potential? For what thanks can we render to God again for you, for all the joy wherewith we joy for your sakes before our God, night and day praying exceedingly, that we might see your face, and might perfect that which is lacking in your faith. What a joy it would be to help such a church grow even deeper in faith and understanding. Now may our God and Father himself and Jesus our Lord direct our way to you, and may the Lord cause you to increase and abound in love for one another, and for all people, just as we also do for you, so that he may strengthen your hearts, blameless in holiness, before our God and Father, at the coming of our Lord Jesus, with all his saints. Thessaloniki must have been that rare church that we all hope ours will become, a church without arguments over trivia, and unity in the essentials of our faith. Are we praying that all our churches become like this one? You decide.